Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, is there an expectation of privacy on a rooftop? Okay, interesting question. I'm wondering, what rooftop is this person talking about? Is it like on top of your own home? Or like if it's like a really tall building, like a university school top building. I know way back in the day when I was in college and we would take purity tests online, I remember there being a question about like, have you had sex on a rooftop at the school or something like that. Anyway, so back to basics. There is no expectation of privacy in anything you do in public. So yeah, so if you're on your rooftop, and people can see you, you don't have an expectation of privacy because you're in plain view of people. I was out walking my dog the other day. I could see a guy working on an air conditioning unit on a roof. There's no expectation of privacy because I could see him. Now, what if it's a situation where it's like a really tall building, or it's one of those like rooftop patios where maybe there's like a built-in wall around it? I don't think you have that much of an expectation of privacy because you still have an open top. So if someone's flying over in a helicopter and maybe needs a pair of binoculars to see you, you still have no expectation of privacy as long as they can legally be flying over over the property in question. So yeah, and then of course there's the issue of it's a rooftop. So if it's a communal building, there's a door and people can, walk out onto it. Or if you have neighbors who are equally high or higher than you and they just look out the window, they can see you. So, of course, all of these situations come down to the specifics of the situation, what's going on. If it's a situation where like someone has to illegally flying a drone over your property, and spying on you, that's different than if someone is just legally flying a helicopter over, or if it's just in plain view of the public. So yeah, I'm sorry to say, the answer to every question starts with, it depends. You got to look at the circumstances of the situation, the laws of your state, to try to discern where the law falls. So yeah, I hope this has been helpful for you. I'm sorry I couldn't give a clear answer to this question, but it just doesn't exist. So, but I hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. I put out new content every week. And of course, if you have a legal question, go hire an attorney. This video is just merely information. It does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. So, until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.